Hey everyone, I'm Jill from Today's Creative Mom, and I know you mostly see me decorating cakes, cupcakes, and a lot of baked goods, but I have something important to tell you. I have designed a course that answers the question that I always get is, how do you make money online? How have you made a success with your life as a single parent doing what you do, working at home? Well, I created a course called A Blog is Born, and that is how I show you step by step exactly how to create a blog. And not only that, I'm going to show you tons of ways that you can make income from your home with a blog. The blog doesn't do the work. What the blog does is it presents you to the world so that you can provide products and services and other ways that you can make income so that you can be at home with your kids, doing what you love, doing what you do best, and enjoying life. So if you're interested in learning more about my Blog is Born course, go ahead and click on down below and I will see you in the course. See you soon. Bye-bye.